guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordination back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Anyone by Justin Bieber. It's a very easy song. We're gonna play it with our capo on fret number 2. Alright? Now for the verse, what I'm playing is basically just A minor, and I'm plucking strings 4, 3, 4, 3, 1. Okay, so that's 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4. Okay, so 4, 3, 1, 4, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3. And the way I'm holding this is it's more of an A minor chord, right? But now we have third string open, and then we hammer on the 3rd fret of string number 1 to get that note. So it's while you mute. Alright, that's what I'm doing for the plucks. But if you want to play the chords, it's A minor, F, and then C to E minor. Okay, so A minor, F, and then C to E minor, right? And then for the verse is, hold on, I think the pre-chorus has different chords. Let me just okay. So the pre-chorus goes, if you had a moment without me. So that's C to F, and then A minor. I wanna know that you're fine to E minor. Okay, so that's pre-chorus for you. And then the chorus goes, and you. That's E minor. So E minor to F, and then A minor to G. Okay, and how we're playing this is, yeah, you, A minor, na 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 na. Right, so that's A minor, sorry, E minor, na na, F, A minor, and then G. Okay, again, you, na 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 na. Okay, let's just yeah. Hold on. Looking back. So that's looking back to anyone, you're the only kid that. It's still the same chords as the chorus. Yeah, you're the. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me just fast forward to see if there's like a bridge or something with different chords. Nah, it's all the same for the rest of the song, guys. So okay, so that part where Justin is doing the oh, it's just C. And then we go back to the chorus, which is you're the only one that. And that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Do make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And if you're not familiar with the chords that we're using, yeah, you can check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration of the chords, so you can learn them there, and then come back here to learn the progressions. Otherwise, that's been it for this tutorial. See you guys on the next video. Peace.